Do you want to know how to increase WinRE partition size in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as we have the ways to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Microsoft will now update the Windows recovery environment alongside the monthly cumulative update. It starts with the Windows 11 version 22H2. However, not many computers have a recovery partition that is large enough to accommodate the new updates. Here is how you can increase WinRE partition size manually on your computer. Let's get started. Method 1. Check and disable WinRE. Before we go forward and make space for a new recovery partition, we need to check if WinRE is installed and disable it. For that, launch command prompt as an administrator by searching it out of the Start menu. Then, to check WinRE status, run. You will get all the commands in the description, so you just need to copy and paste them. If you have installed WinRE, you should be able to find a Windows RE location with a path to the WinRE directory. Here, the number following hard disk and partition refers to the index of the partition and disk where WinRE is located. Now to turn off WinRE, you need to run the following command. After disabling the WinRE agent, move to the next step. Method 2. Shrink OS Partition. We now have to shrink the OS partition and prepare the disk for a new recovery partition. For that, in the elevated mode of command prompt, execute. Now execute this command. To choose the OS disk, run this command. This should be the same disk index as the Windows recovery environment. After selecting the WinRE disk, run the command again. To select a particular disk from the list, run this command. To shrink that drive, execute this command. To choose the WinRE partition, type this in the command prompt and then hit enter. To delete the WinRE partition, run this command. After shrinking and deleting the partition, create a new recovery partition. Method 3. Create a new recovery partition. Now you need to create a new recovery partition. We need to ensure that the partition style is a GUI partition table or a master boot record. For that, run list disk. Check if the GPT column contains an asterisk. If so, the drive is GPT, otherwise it is MBR. GPT users need to run this command, followed by this command. MBR users should run this command. Finally, to format the partition, execute this command. Method 4. Confirm partition and enable WinRE. We now have to confirm if the WinRE partition is created using. Once confirmed, exit the disk path utility using the exit command. Finally, enable the WinRE service we asked you to disable earlier using this. And confirm the same using this. Now you should be able to increase WinRE or Windows recovery environment partition size using the methods shown. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.